everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So excited because I've made my first designer purchase and I'm going to be showing you guys the designer shoes which I bought. I am so excited to show you. I think you're going to absolutely love them because I do, and I'm just really thrilled that I have these. I feel so lucky and so thankful that I have been able to buy these, and yeah, I'm so excited to show you. Before we get on with the video, a couple of things. First thing is, if you haven't already, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. There's so much pink in this channel, and also my Instagram, which is at aloha_amy_ if you feel like checking that out. I always like to try and spread a lot of pink and positivity and just happiness and just pretty nice things. So if you like the sound of that, then why not come and join the pink family. This is just my little pink place on the internet, so feel free to come and join. You are more than welcome, and I really appreciate everyone who does subscribe to my channel, so thank you so much for doing so. And also, I just want to say before I get on with this video, I'm not showing off in any way. I'm really happy that I bought these shoes. I saved up for them and bought them as a gift to myself for graduating university, and this is shoes that I've really thought about buying for a long time, and I put a lot of thought into it and decided that I would buy them, and I'm really happy that I have done. So if you don't want to watch this, then that's totally fine, but if you like pretty shoes, then I think you will want to watch this. So yeah, I just want to say that, and thank you so much, and I will get on with the video. So the shoes that I bought, take a second and try and guess. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen what I posted a few months ago saying that they were my dream shoes. So take a guess and then tell me in the comments if you got it right. So I got myself a pair of Sophia Webster shoes. I have been loving Sophia Webster for such a long time, ever since I think I first saw her shoes on Pinterest, and I just fell in love, honestly, and since then I've been looking at lots of different ones, and I've been looking at different designer shoes, and I've almost made purchases before, but they've just not been 100% right until these ones. I just saw them and knew that these were my dream shoe. Like, I think my caption on Instagram was, if I were a shoe, this would be me, and I stand by that 100%. Like, if I were in shoe form, this is me. So these are the shoes that I got from Sophia Webster. They are called the Sophia Webster Evangelines, and they came in this gorgeous baby pink box with Sophia Webster written in rose gold, and then inside it also came with a little dust bag. They were all kind of wrapped up and everything was protected really nicely, but I took all that off because I got too excited and just had to open them last night. Please excuse my voice, I have a really sore throat. But this is the dust bag, so it's really pretty baby pink as well, and again it says Sophia Webster in rose gold. Even the bag and the box are pretty. Just you wait till you see the shoes. Okay, so just take a minute, breathe, prepare yourselves for the prettiest shoes on the planet. How pretty are these? So these are the Sophia Webster Evangeline shoes. They are baby pink and rose gold. The rose gold glitter on the wings, and then there is rose gold detailing everywhere else, including the heel. The buckle is also rose gold, and then the little stamp saying Sophia Webster is also rose gold. And these are just so beautifully made. They have really beautiful sole, which is so well made. It's got a little heart kind of stitched into it, and honestly it's just such a beautiful shoe. You can tell how well made these are, and they're just honestly absolutely stunning. Like, I'm so in love. I'm very particular about my shoes, and these are just perfect. So like I said before, if I were a shoe, these would be me. I'm just absolutely so thrilled that I got these. I love them so much. I mean, look how beautiful the wing is. So I got the ones with the wings because that is Sophia Webster's signature style, and that is what makes her design so eye-catching and so different, and I just thought these were absolutely stunning. Like I said before, I have had my eye on these for the longest time, and I finally just decided that I would buy them for myself. So when I was in London, I tried on a pair which were white. They had white ones and black ones in the Evangelines, and I tried them on so that I knew what size I was, because they recommend sizing half a size up. Normally I'm a size 5, these are a 5.5, so the half a size bigger fits perfectly. And I definitely wanted to try them on, because if you're going to be making a big purchase like that, obviously you want to make sure that they fit perfectly. So I tried them on in Selfridges and cinnamon pink there, so that is why I got them straight from the Sophia Webster website, and I'm so happy that I did. I'm just so happy. So if you've seen my shoe collection video, you will know that I have a little bit of a thing where I don't like to wear my shoes on the ground. Just my fanciest shoes. I don't really like wearing them like on the ground and ruining the soles. So I know it sounds crazy, and I know I am a little bit crazy when it comes to shoes, but I just like to take really good care of them. And what I tend to do with my shoes is I will go to a party and I'll wear like my flat shoes there, not because I can't walk in my heels, but simply because I don't want my pretty shoes touching the ground, and then when I get to the event I will change my shoes if there's a carpet inside and like nice clean floor. So I sound actually crazy, I literally sound crazy, but you know what, I have lovely shoes, so I don't really care. So obviously like these are stunning, these are not going to be touching the ground outside. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Can you imagine putting these on the ground? Imagine these getting dirt on them. That's just too much to even think. I just want to sit and stare at them all day. They're just the perfect baby pink colour for me, so as you can tell from like my background and from everything, I'm very particular about my shades of pink. I like a very pale baby pink, not super bright Barbie pink. So yeah, these are absolutely perfect, and I'm so happy that I got them. These are just so perfect, and also I love rose gold, that's my favourite. So it's really nice that they are rose gold as well, and the wings are just so sparkly. The black and white ones that I saw in Selfridges were also so insanely beautiful, but they were metallic, the wings, not glitter, so the rose gold glitter is just stunning. And when you're spending a lot of money on something, I think it should be 100% perfect, and when I saw these I just knew that they were absolutely for me, and I know that they're also always going to be my style. Like, I'm not going to change my opinion on these are always going to be beautiful to me. They're always like stunning pink princess shoes. I saved up for them and bought them for myself for graduating university. I'm just honestly just so in love with them. I'm honestly not really sure what else to say in this video other than just sitting staring at the shoes. In fact, I'll do a little montage for you so that you can really appreciate them. You guys to know how much you all mean to me, because it's crazy to me that I actually have 250 subscribers. I mean, it might not be a lot to some people, but to me that's everything. I mean, people, you just leave the most lovely comments, and it sounds like I'm going to cry, but I'm just losing my voice. But you mean a lot to me, and I just want to say thank you to every single one of you who has liked my video, watched my entire video, subscribed, whatever, left a comment, all of these kind things that you do. It's so amazing to have so much positivity. If I make just one person's day a little bit brighter, then I've done my job right. That's all I want to do. I just want to make people happy, and the way I know how to do that is by talking about pretty things like pretty shoes. So I hope that this video has made you smile just looking at my pretty shoes. So yeah, I just want to say thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!